very well. You understand my deepest part more than I know myself. So when I face the darkness, when I need to find my way, I trust in you, Shepherd of my heart. Keeper of this heart of mine, your patience has no end. You've loved me back into your arms time and time again. So if I start to wander like a lamb that's gone astray, I'll trust in you, Shepherd of my heart. You're the beacon of my nights, you're the sunlight of my days. I can rest within your arms, I can know your loving ways. So let the cold winds blow and let the storms rage all around, I'll trust in you, Shepherd of my heart. Giver of this life in me, you're what I'm living for. For all my deepest gratitude, you love me even more. So as I walk through valleys, listening for